everybody, Antoinette Westcott here on One Veggie at a Time. As always, I have my dear friend Daisy Lewis with us today, and Luke and Jordan.
Hi.
Luke is going to be showing us his favorite smoothie he likes to make on the go. Yes?
Yes.
What is the favorite ingredient that you put in it?
Oranges.
Oranges, that's it?
And mandarins and lemons and all the different kinds.
All different kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
And the frozen fruit,
Yeah.
usually like peaches or mangoes, so it tastes really good like jamba juice.
Basically or totally?
Totally.
And you?
Well, should we start?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you going to teach us?
We're gonna teach everyone how to make a smoothie.
I have two different oranges. We have regular oranges, and then a lemon and blood oranges, and a few mandarins, like these ones. It just tastes really good all together, combined.
So we're throwing everything in.
Yes, we just cut it in half, and then Luke is going to juice them.
And how do you pick how many of what to choose? How many oranges? How many blood oranges?
I just go with whatever my mom cut in.
Oh, that's good.
So, Mom, how many do you cut?
Usually like 10 or 15. So it's supposed to blend, and then we do smoothies to go to school. It's just simple and easy. And this is so good because vitamin C, it prevents colds. And sometimes, well, I guess I should go. You know what? I'm going to say it. Sometimes I put hemp seeds or hemp powder greens, and they don't know because it blends with the sugars of the oranges. So they don't know. They don't taste it. It's good protein for them.
Can't even taste it in there.
You can even. You're gonna have some.
Oh,
so
well, I'll find out.
I can't taste it at all.
You can't?
No, I can't.
Have you had it alone?
I had it
On the spaghetti,
I had-
mix it with noodles. Yeah.
Yeah, let's juice these
Okay.
up.
I'll help you to be faster. And are you ready one already?
So which orange is that? Do you know? A blood orange?
The blood orange. We have some lemons.
The blood orange makes it a really nice color.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry, guys. We're almost done with all the blending. We only got a few left. Alright, I gotta get in on this action. I gotta do one at least and contribute, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Me too. Yeah.
Now put a little bit of water just to get a little more juice.
Get all the goodness out of there.
Yes.
All the juice.
Get all the glory juice.
And this is a very good juicer. The best juicer ever has, called the Wearing Pro. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. This is organic slice of peaches from Whole Foods.
Yes. A woman of any talent.
Yes.
This is what the juice looks like when it's over. It's a nice, pretty color. So we got lemons, oranges, mandarins, blood oranges. What else? That's it.
And a little bit of water.
Lemons.
And some water to get the extra
Lemons.
flavor.
Don't forget
So we go
lemons.
to put, oh yeah, lemons. Do you want to put this Jordan?
Yeah.
Let's see.
All of it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yes, that's good. Yeah.
Okay, all of it.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
You should
Go
have
for it.
That's all of it.
Now we
And-
blend it all
Yeah.
together?
This is the Vitamix, like the best ever.
Smoothies or anything is to get one of these
Yeah.
Vitamixes.
I have this one. It's really old. I have it for 10 years. But it's amazing. It's getting old, but it still works.
Yeah.
That's amazing. 10
Yeah.
years, that's a long time.
And I'm gonna put just a little bit of hemp powder, very small amount, just for minerals and protein.
How much would you say you put in there?
I just want to put a little bit because I want it to taste good also.
Teaspoon, tablespoon?
Yeah, like a teaspoon. Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
I hope it tastes good.
Okay, fingers crossed it tastes good, everybody. Yeah?
Yeah, fingers crossed. Everyone put your fingers crossed if you were watching the video.
Well, you made it, so it's going to taste good
Yes.
regardless.
You
right?
guys
Yeah.
know it.
How is it, Jordan?
I like it.
Do you like it?
Good. I love it.
It's like jumbo juice, I think. Just
Yes? Do you approve
I love
of
it.
your own making?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here goes. Mmm, that's really good. You can taste all the oranges.
the oranges, yeah.
All the flavors. You can taste the blood orange. Mmm.
But you cannot taste the hemp seed powder.
No, not that I would know what that tastes like. I've never
Mhm.
had
Oh,
anything
it
with
doesn't.
that
It's
yet.
nothing. It's just like nothing.
It's like nothing, so we could have put more in.
Mm.
Yeah, next time we got more hemp powder.
Yeah.
Probably like 1,000 pieces in there.
1,000 pieces. So why do you make these on a daily basis?
I make it because it's easy, simple, and nutritious for the boys. They rarely ever get colds or sick, thank God. They just really, I'm very lucky about that. Like first one, the main thing is fresh air. The second one is sleep. Like sleep is so healthy. When you're tired or you don't feel well, go to sleep. That rejuvenates you. What's the third one? Exercise, walking, movement, dance, something that makes you happy. The fourth is sunlight, go in the sun for vitamin D. Then raw food, like real food, fruits, vegetables. Then water, pure water. And the last one, self-love for yourself and others.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, I love that. He told me how to go to farmers markets and buy all kinds of seasonal fruits and vegetables through the seasons.
Which season has the best?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we're in spring. So what?
I think right now, well, you go to farmers market. That's the best place to shop.
Probably
Have you
the
been?
berries right now. I
Yes,
think.
yeah.
It's the best fruit.
It is the best fruit. They're fresh. They're picked from the farmers.
You heard it here from Luke.
Yep, we heard from you guys.
Okay, anything else you want to add?
I'm
or-
just grateful that you wanted to do this. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I wanted to have you on.
Thank you.
And you as well.
Yeah.
And Jordan. Yes. Yes. Thank you guys for being on the show.
Mhm.
And any final thoughts, or we're good?
Let me think. No, I'm good.
Okay. All right. Well, try your own smoothies and let us know how they taste, and or if you have different variations that you like to try, let us know. All right. See you next time.